hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play and I'll give you the explanation. So in the ones column, we have the same digit added up 4 times, giving us that same digit once again. So you can think about if we have options 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I add up 4 nines, that's going to give me 36. So that means this would be different than that because that would be a 6, that would be a 9, that wouldn't work. Same with 4 eights, that's 32. Same with 4 sevens, that's 28, so on and so forth. If you go through all the digits, none of them work except for 0, which means that the green square has to be 0. So we fill those in, and then now we go to this section. So we have 4 of these hexagons, okay, and they have to add to 0 as well. Now, since each of these shapes have to be a unique digit, that means 0 is now off the table. Otherwise, 0 would have worked as well, but 0 is now off the table. So what other digit, when you multiply it by 4, it ends in a 0? Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 6, not 7, not 8, not 9. The only option is 5. So that means these hexagons have to have a value of 5, so we're going to fill those in now. Okay, so 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is actually 20, which means we'd actually have a carry of a 2, all right? So the question is, 2 plus 5, that's 7. What must the green triangles be so that we end up with a ones digit of 0 again? The only viable option is going to be 1. So if we have 1 here, and 1 here, we've got 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5 is 10, and then we got one more carry of a 1, and that's perfect because this final digit is supposed to be 1. It would make that 1, which means that's my final answer. Triangles are 1, hexagons are 5, green squares are 0. And then that makes an equation of 150 plus 150 plus 550 plus 150 equals 1,000, which is, of course, true. That's how you do it. Done.